Join me as I take on the challenge of building a property empire using AI agents that actually make money. Imagine having a team of intelligent agents working tirelessly to analyse market trends, identify profitable properties and even manage them for you. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you this is not only possible, but it's a game changer for property investors? Property investing can be a lucrative business, but it comes with its fair share of challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is market analysis, identifying the right opportunities at the right time in the right location. Then there's property management, dealing with tenants, maintenance, and all the headaches that come with it. Let's not forget about that time constraint. Finding and managing properties requires a significant amount of time and effort, taking away from other important aspects of your life. These challenges can be overwhelming, causing many investors to shy away or struggle to achieve their goals. But what if you could automate some of these tasks, freeing up your time and increasing your profitability? That's where AI agents come in. By leveraging AI, you can actually analyze vast amounts of data to identify profitable properties and make informed investment decisions. All agents can help you to automate tasks such as market analysis, property screening, and even tenant management. This not only saves you time, but also reduces the risk of human error, ensuring that your investments are optimized for maximum returns. Let's look at a real-life example. I recently came across a case study where an AI agent was used to analyze a portfolio of properties. The agent identified several underperforming assets and provided recommendations for renovation and re-renting. The results weren't staggering, but they were worth having. A 25% increase in rental income, that's certainly worth having in your pocket, and a 30% boost in property value. This is just one example of how AI agents can significantly enhance profitability for property investors. So in conclusion, AI agents have got the potential to revolutionize the way we approach property investing. By automating tasks, analyzing data, and improving decision-making, these intelligent agents can help you build a property empire that generates significant income. If you're interested in learning more about how AI can enhance your investments, leave a comment below and let me know. If you found this video informative, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on AI in real estate. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you're eager for more, check out my next video where we'll dive deeper into the world of AI-powered property investing. If you would like to comment on anything you've heard or seen in this video, don't hesitate to contact me. That's Alan on 07539141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539141257, or landline 0333 224 1257. From outside UK, that's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@albertsgroup.com. Cheers for now.